If you are watching this, you probably feel like you were late. You look around at everyone else your age, and they are talking about retirement or travel or their golden years, but you are looking at a pile of wreckage or wondering, what do I really want out of life?
Maybe addiction tore you down, maybe a divorce left you with nothing, or perhaps you simply woke up at 50 and realized this life doesn't match your dreams. The scariest thought isn't how hard the road will be, it's the fear that it's already too late. Spoiler, it's not.
We're here to tell you, no, it is not too late, but you cannot rebuild using the same tools that broke you.
I'm Donna. After I turned 50, I walked away from an abusive marriage with a single suitcase, a backpack, and less than $50 to my name. I was free, but I was terrified.
And I am Terry. I battled addiction for decades. I was the guy who filled a water bottle with vodka just to get through a bike ride. I lost my career, my health, and my dignity.
We didn't meet at some fancy club. We met in the middle of the mess, right when we were both fighting to rebuild our lives.
And we learned the hard way that when you are starting over in the second half of life, trying harder doesn't work. You don't have the energy to just hustle anymore. You need a strategy. That is why we started Rebuild with Clarity. This channel isn't about vague inspiration, it's about construction.
We like to use the analogy of looking at your life like a house. Most people try to slap new paint on rotten structure. We don't do quick fixes. We help you pour a foundation of values that won't crack under pressure. We frame your walls with discipline, strengthening your mind and body to support your goals. Finally, we raise the roof with a community that protects you and sustains your new way of life.
If you're tired of the overwhelm and ready to build something solid, you're in the right place. We provide the specific tools you need when your nervous system is shot, like the 3-minute fix, the pause, and grateful despite. We share a new video every week to help you build your new life one brick at a time. Here are 2 simple steps to join our journey.
First, hit that subscribe button so you don't have to walk this road alone.
Second, look at the first video on our channel called The Try Harder Myth. It explains why your best efforts haven't worked yet and how to fix it today. Let's start building a better future together.